Yo! What up, London? Will you be my London boy? What's up, you guys? Here we go for a London sesh. Did I sleep in really late and I'm extremely tired still? Yes. Ooh, what a coffee hit. Croissant. Shall we have a croissant during this session? What's up, you guys? So let's have a look here. Gold. London was the greatest. Looks like a lot happened here in Asia. What up, Shibby? What up, Grant? It looks like a lot has happened today. Let's do a quick top down to see where we're at here on gold. Monthly, weekly could be run out of gas here. We'll see. The daily's bearish. Strong 4-hour closure to send. Wow. The 1 hour. I'm relatively bearish from what I'm seeing so far. I could also see price come up here and then pull back. A bearish 1 hour closure there. Strong 30 closure. If this flips, I'm going to enter a sell. Let me put an order here. I'm going to put an order here on gold. Oh, hang on. This candle's about to close. I still might be interested in putting my order there. Alright, that closure's annoying. That closure's annoying as shit. What am I gonna do? It's nice on the 30, nice on the 1 hour. I might look at a sell. I just want to see how this candle develops here for a minute. Yeah, exactly. Love it when you sing. Love it when you sing. Thank you. You good, Shib? Yeah, good, man. Good. Yeah, let's have a look. You know, a lot has happened in Asia, but this could be a good sell. A 15-minute breakout. Buy entry. I took my stop loss. What buy entry did you take? New haircut? Nah, no new haircut. Just woke up hair. Damn it. Just woke up here. Alright, who's looking at NQ? I haven't traded NQ during London for a hot minute. So expect bad things. Really nice level here on gold. Would love to sell gold if the opportunity presented. Definitely. Minute bullish takeout and close below support. Yeah, that's the thing. The only issue is how this 15-minute candle closed. It's not a very fun closure for confirmation. I still may be interested. You got a 30 closure, you got a 30 breakout, you got a nice fucking 1 hour candle. I could see it pushing up. You got bearish closures on the 4 hour. Got a 4 hour wick on futures. Let's see if something presents. Something else might happen where it wants to pull back and then come. We can get it from here. We'll see. That would actually be more ideal for me. Yo, yo. Would it? Fake out, yeah. Goon strat. Goon. Of 90% signal, no you don't. Oh wow, look at Rome today. This is one of my guys, Rome, 4K on his account. Yeah, these guys, W on stream. Yeah, these guys killed it in Asia on the mentorship today. 2 dubs on stream. Yeah, we run live streams every day in the mentorship group. Asia, London, and New York. Beautiful. Anyone here from the London? I'm never here on London, so drop a thumbs up for the live stream. Let's get some more croissants in the chat. Sells below. And after this stream, I'm doing a podcast with Ty, one of my students over here. Yeah, you guys are gonna be blown away by this podcast. Here's Ty here. You guys are about to get blown. What up, Dave? Daniel Man, the myth, the legend. Yo, Lee one. $10 gift me. How about you $10 gift me? Did you ever think of that? River, Dan, love you, bro. Love you too, my G. Love in the air. Love in the air. Big Roman. So clearly sells below level here. Very clearly. It might want to pull back. We did get a lot of moves during London, Asia. So like, you know, we know how the world works. We did get a solid move during Asia. Massive moves in Asia. 600 pips up and 700 pips down. Wow. Does look like there's still volume in the market though. Although this is pre-London, might start going to shit. Will the broadcast be posted on Discord? Nah, it's we'll do it privately, but I will I'll be posting it tonight. I'll edit it straight away and post it. Yeah. Thai food or tie your laces? Talking about Thai, I might be going to Thailand in like a couple of days. You have a huge support in the 4 hour where you wait for cells, be careful. No. Yeah, no, I'm happy with what I'm seeing for cells for sure. 4 hour and 4x broke below. Yeah, this is... See, on Forex, yeah, it broke below on the 4 hour and then this could be a top wick for a flip. But on futures, there's like a big 4 hour wick down there. It's like, ooh. But then you got a big 4 hour wick up here. It's like, I don't know, man. We'll see. Love is in the air. Who's the first guy that called you for a podcast interview? It was actually Rihari FX, I think. Rihari, Australian guys. Yeah. But in Dubai, when I came to Dubai, the first people were Orion funded. Yeah, Orion funded got me in for a potty. Then heaps of people. Yo, big Rodriguez. Graph, what up? Graph and the Tick. Graph Talk. Big Brighton. Roll your clock. Oh, you seen that one? Pre-London level. Sorry, pre-London level at 470, 15-minute buy, break out, took my stop loss. Can you explain it? 4705. Uh, 47, I'm assuming you mean this level here. Let's look at the other time frames. So it's just a 15 closure. Yeah, I mean, it looks all right. It might have been worth managing. Like if your entry was there, SL was 53. Yeah, I don't know. I would have been interested to see how this played out. The thing is, bro, it's like, yeah, I usually don't trade this time as well. This is like pre-London, or late Asia. Big Low Gang, what up, brother? Low Gang in the chat. Surely at some point, like if I'm in a consistent state of blocking people on TikTok, how they just keep coming. What up, Purple? I'm looking for sell. Are you looking for sell position? London is open now. Oh wait, what? Oh yeah, this is London open. I'm a doo-doo head. Oh yeah, you managed it. Nice. Yeah, good management. If you took that. All right, Goldie. I'm getting interested in impulse sell on gold. Let's see how this closes. Which position are you? Oh. Yeah, this always used to be the time back in Australia. I know. Hey, talking about Australia, check this out, you guys. This Sunday, I'm running a free webinar, the 3-step system. I've allocated it for 5 p.m. Australian time. So I'm going to be doing two sessions in one day, one for US and one for Australia time. So there's a link here. Let me put it in the chat. It's also pinned in the YouTube chat. You can register now for free. We're going to be going on over a lot of stuff. 6 things here. Why traders never leave the challenge phase, how to pass challenges quick, how to run the consistent payout cycle, how to scale, and then we'll do a Q&A as well. So yeah, this should be a good one. Register now before we close down the Regos. This should be a ripper. How much is the free webinar? Immediately. How do you find sell side and buy side? Just look at candles. You have to have a strategy and a system in order to identify what you're going to do. What's your favorite position? Fuck. What's your position? Y'all know. Yeah, I'm looking for a sell. Big time. Hey bro, move some of my pop homes payouts into personal accounts and starting with 5k, going to give it a crack slowly. Yeah, nice. Oh, you're from Brizzy? Nice. I would probably say 5k is quite a lot. You should do 1k. Why don't you do 1k? If you've never traded Perso like seriously before, you should do 1k, bro. Why don't you do 1k? And also, if you trade on a broker that uses TradeLocker, TradeAvate, you can set a daily lockout limit as well. It's pretty scary sometimes, like you can fucking blow a whole Perso account. It's a lot of money, it can get up to a lot of money. Alright, man. I'm interested in... Oh, it's gonna be... Yeah, I'm very interested here, you guys. Just give us a shot. Give us a chance, goalie. Baby, come back. This is looking quite juicy, actually. If this can hang around here. So break that 30 low. That's good. Now pull back and close back up in the range a little bit closer. All good. All good. What the fuck are you doing, gold? Ease up. Ease up. Don't just drop in the last 20 seconds, my G. We've got families to feed. Enter in capitals. No. Yeah. Wow, that's like disrespectful. That's super disrespectful of gold. That is super disrespectful, you guys. Damn. Alright, let me think. Let me think. Yeah, I don't enter as it's breaking the level, guys. It has to close, especially if it's like, 30 seconds before it closes, it's starting to push, and it's a 30-minute closure. So I would have just got BE'd then. Or stopped out here. You guys, you don't just like enter because it's moving. You enter because your setup presents. Already in, man. 30 was clean. Go for it. Go for it. I mean, if you're entering trades in the last 30 seconds of a 30-minute closure, then fuck. I don't know what to tell you, bro. I want to see how this candle develops here. I'm not a fan of that 30 closure, but fuck. Not even a fan of that 15 closure. I wanted it to close like at the line. Nah, never on the 1E. Yeah, see, all you impatient guys just got stopped out. NQ's trash. Wick City. Here's a tip, you guys. If you ever see just this, small bodies and big wicks, just don't even try and do analysis. Just immediately got this. All right, I'll move back to gold. Like you need to train your eye to, if you see shitty price action, you just don't even bother. You just walk away. Like look at something else. If it's 15 in goals, look for a buy. Yeah, look, to be honest, I could see it rejecting here. Like if it did break above kind of like this level here, I would buy, definitely. Yep. I want to see what this candle does here for a potential sell. You can blame it all on me. If this flips, I'm obviously not going to take it at the first flip. because what I wanted to see didn't really present, I'm gonna have to ask a little bit more from the market. But with that being said, I could also miss the trade by asking that much more. But what I want to see is this kind of create a bit of a low pullback. I don't even like this setup. I could see this. I don't really even like this. Let's keep an eye on it. Let's see what this does. Let's see what this does.
In the beginning.
Yo, what up, Ty? What up, my G? I was just speaking about a potty before. We're doing a potty on how Ty went from a full-time trader to 9 to 5, full-time 9 to 5. All right, there's a break, sort of. Page, I can't tell if this is my page. Sorry, I'm pulling up your TikTok if it is. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, you're flying. Yeah, wake up where you are. You land where you were meant to go and $9 billion drawdown. Someone's drilling. Inspiring stuff. Yep, more people have to block. That's crazy, bro. Nah, I don't check the DXY. Yeah, you land wherever you're gonna land. It's either blown or passed. 5-minute time frame, bearish order block. Does anyone really still fucking use order blocks, bro? Like, that was the thing I could never get my head around with like ICT concepts back in the day when I was strategy hopping. I could never get my head around order blocks or fair value gaps because it was just like an invisible area in the market where you kind of, it just felt like I was trading like a ghost chart or something because there was shit that I was meant to see that. I don't know, bro. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this, you guys. It could drop here. If this does flip one more time and melts, then it is what it is. I don't like this. I like it on the 1 hour, but the 30 and the 15 it's giving me weird vibes. But it could totally drop. If Ty's time frame has clean range and the smallest has support resistance in between, should I consider? Yeah, it's not an easy answer. It depends on so many things, bro. But typically you're gonna get reactions off like 15-minute areas of support and resistance regardless. What up, Unity? Double tap rule. Yeah, I've already let it tap. It's not even essentially double tap rule. I'm just curious to see how price is gonna react around this area here. Look, if it breaks the low now and then retraces, I'll put an order in. Because what are the probability of 3 times? But I personally am just not a huge fan of this. Again, I'm happy to let this drop. If you guys want to participate, go for it. Twin. Zero Bro said we don't give a fuck about order block twin. Twin's a funny word. All right, so there's more sellers got tagged in just then. More sellers just got tagged in as the low got broken again. I'm gonna sell. Let's hope it drops. Yeah, see that? I'll put a sell. I'll sell now if it wants to drop. Pending. Sell. I mean, if it breaks its low for a 3rd time, I'll sell. I've noticed when I gamble, I make money, but when I follow the rules, I lose. Yeah, it's because your system sucks. That's all. That's all it is. So let that be a clue that, hey, I need to like lock in my system. But that's the thing with trading, like you can like just gamble and win as well. That's why trading's so difficult, because when there's times where you can just gamble and make a fat bag, and you're like, you get addicted to that then, right? I'm canceling my order. Can you explain why you don't like it? Yeah, let me explain in a sec, Timo. Lock in, twin. I might as well explain now. I like the 4 hour. I love the 1 hour. I don't love the 30-minute. I don't love how that 30-minute... You know, if the 30-minute closed like this, I'd be more interested. But now it's just kind of like a small body kind of 30-minute candle. And also the 15. There doesn't seem like there's much support for this breakout. Like this candle here, not a huge fan. It's not really a support candle. I've canceled my order. Look, it tapped for the 3rd time. Fuck, this is brutal. It broke the low 3 times. Thank fuck I just canceled that order. If it closes like this, I'll re-put my order back in. This is trading, guys. Just manage it. Like, watch the market. Ask for things if you're not... Ask for extra confirmation from the market if you're not super hot on the trade. And know that this could still just melt and I'm not a part of it, and that's just the nature of trading. Maybe come back. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful. Very, very good management. Very good management here, you guys. Look, now if this breaks back above this level, I really would love to buy. But if it comes back and closes a small body here, I'll re-put my sell order in, because I think, man, if it's going to hold below still and then break the low for the 4th time, I think it should fucking go. Man, cricket's in the chat. I guess it is a London stream. Drop a thumbs up for the stream, you guys. This is crazy. 500 people and two likes. Thanks for the insight, bro. Nah, it's no worries. I think this has been a good lesson on how to not get stuck in it. Because here's the thing: if I had my order sitting there and I was in a sell right now it's just miserable, right? You're just like, for fuck's sake, now I'm in this bullshit trade. You stream in New York? Maybe. Yeah, maybe in the Dissy will do it. Yeah. Yeah, people tagged in too stressed top 100%. Cricket say. Oh, the breakout on IC markets was shit. Protect your capital, rule number 1, exactly. I'm so frustrated. I've been trading since 3 years now and I'm still break-even stage. Lack of FOMO when I miss a trade and some days I can't control. Yeah, man, that's just human nature. That's real. Trading's really difficult, man. It'll make you want to FOMO all the time. The thing about what I would say to you is, because you said the gambling thing works better for you, is like really do the analysis on your strategy. Do the analysis on your statistics. And if you're like, well, I don't really know my statistics, now's a chance to probably start journaling, start tracking some of your shit, and look at what works and what doesn't. Stop doing what doesn't and adapt to what does. Remember, the markets always change. Like, the good thing about me and my community is we're always getting together and kind of doing trade reviews and looking at what works, what doesn't. You can't stay stagnant in trading, especially if you trade gold. You can't stay stagnant if you trade gold. You have to like be malleable with the market. When you go on stream, we want to know when to start trading, bro. Legit. Yeah, you should get some A+ setups as soon as I click stop streaming. I had to buy earlier, but it drops a bit. I might have to sell. Yeah, we'll see. But if this does hold below here, small body, I'll sell. Because what, like, we've given it every chance to not sell, and it's still holding here. So let's see. I think it's going to dictate the last minute here is going to dictate what's going to happen. I do like the 1 hour. Wait, when does the 1 hour close? 15 minutes. Yeah, I think the 1 hour could drop. Yo, Zane, what up, brother? Zane, pretty sure you said it was your birthday yesterday. Welcome to the big leagues. You can legally goon now. I feel like by the end of the hour we should. Yeah, I mean, I want to be a part of that end of the hour though. Is it going to break back up in the range, or is it going to do... There's only 3 things gold can do right now. 1, it can close small body here, which would be cool. I'll look to sell. 2, it could close kind of like here, which is gay. There's just nothing. Or 3, it comes all the way back up and close above here, which I'll buy. Yeah, look, here we go. Come on, gold. Break back up above this level. Great read on the market here, you guys. Great read on the market. Great read. What performance do you use for trading? What platform? I have a feeling you're going to offer a service, which I'm open to hearing what you got to say, but I just use all of them. Come on, gold. Break above. Break above. Let's go. No, you're not going to do it, are you? Yes, go. Go, 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 go. Go. Nay. Now go. Go. And take whatever you want. Y'all Romero. In this life, if you believe, you got 2 hands like me. Now go. Okay, that was annoying, but very well. Man, what a great way to avoid an unnecessary loss. All you guys that were like, dude, it's dropping, I'm selling. I'm like, at what point does your strategy tell you just because the market is moving that you press the button? Like that, you need confirmation. You need confirmation. Yes, I feel it. What do you see when you enter a trade? How do you know if it's a buy or sell? I mean, that's where your system, you need to have a trading system, bro. You need to have a trading strategy. For me, my strategy is built around 2 core concepts. Is 1, identify support and resistance levels, and 2, either wait for a reaction off a level and look to sell, or a breakthrough and look to sell. So it's like either we're breaking out of a range or we're reacting off a range. Now I say support and resistance because it's the easiest way for people to know what it is, but it's really just like levels where the price respects on the market. It can be something as simple as that. Like this is technically a support and resistance level here. W avoided loss. Yeah, exactly. W avoided loss. W avoided loss. There you guys. No, in London, we'll just chop here now, but let's see. Let's see, man. We'll give it a bit of time. Again, anyone new here, this Sunday, I'm running a free webinar. I'm going to be doing a good time here for Australians, so 5 p.m. Australian time, and then also earlier I'll do a US one as well. So I'll just put a link there in the chat. You can register for this free group webinar. I need advice, Dan. I don't. Every household chores at home, everything. But when I want to trade, people will disturb me. Always miss a liquidity grab. Yeah, I mean, if that is really a real issue, then you need to be a man and be like, motherfuckers, I'm trying to get after it. You can't be disturbing me. You're gonna lay down the law, my G, and say, this is my non-disturb moment. Got to earn some respect, put some respect on my name, man. You look as though you trade the same way as Joe trades. Joe trades. Yeah. No, I think Joe is like more of a 5-minute kind of guy. And I might be doing a Aaron stream on Friday. Me and Aaron do a collab. Oh no. Every day I wake up and YouTube's like restricting my account. I mean, Instagram. Daniel, in the beginning, what is the biggest thing you faced in trading? Just the same thing you face, which is the revenge trading, the over trading, the impulse trading, the negative self-talk, high ambition. If you're highly ambitious and very eager to get after it as well, you can make it tough, but you need that. It's like a necessary evil. So like you're extremely ambitious and hungry to succeed in trading, but that can also heighten your emotions when it doesn't go well. So it's a bit of a tricky one. All right, there we go. How do I fix all that? It's time. Yeah, time. And trying to work on your weaknesses. Like if I jump in today and let's say I took a sell here and it stopped me out and I got really frustrated. I'm like, oh, I knew I should have like listened to my intuition, or I should have listened to what the market was showing me. And then I took a buy as it broke here and then got stopped out as well because I revenge traded. Then maybe now I'm angry and I'm on tilt and I take a couple more trades and blow the account. So now when I walk away, I need to actually do the analysis on myself of what went wrong today and to avoid doing that tomorrow. And I only say that because you think, well, of course you need to do that. But most people won't. They'll just get frustrated, walk away, and then come back and do the same shit tomorrow. So it's about knowing where you went wrong yesterday and making an effort today to do it different. That's all. If you can do that, you're already ahead of the pack. Type shit. Oh, Alad's a G. Yeah, that'd be good actually. Alad's a G. Dragon trades. Oh, here we go. Yeah, we break below here. Fuck, I don't think it's gonna happen. I think it's gonna leave. Tricky conditions here, man. You look similar to Wait, what? Who? Let me have a look. Yeah, I don't like that you said this. All good, but yeah, don't like that. This is who you're saying I look like. Yeah, I never like it when people say, hey man, you look like this dude, and it's always like, I mean, it's like a chopped version of me, I guess. Yeah, I don't usually like that. All good. Hey Daniel, how are you? Just registered for the webinar. Looking forward. Let's go. Let's get it. Beautiful. For sure, we'll meet you in Dubai soon. Yeah, we'll meet in Dubai soon. I'll run a Dubai meet soon. We'll do a Dubai meetup. How's Dubai life? Dubai life is yeah, Dubai life's good. But I might go to Thailand in a couple of days. Yeah, gold's been gay. Gold's gonna drop here. Yeah, she's off. She's off. Just no valid entry just yet. Hopefully it doesn't fully drop, but it probably will. I'm just gonna go to NQ for a sec. How did you settle on your system? Was it through loads of backtesting and forward testing? Yeah, both backtesting and forward testing. And I also did a bunch of other strategies. So I went around the world and did all the other strategies as well and just found what made the most sense, which is like price action candlesticks, like actually reading markets seemed like really important to actually read the markets. Because if you can read the markets, then regardless of what the candles do and as market conditions change, you just like, you're like water, you flow with it. I trade the same system, 75% win rate, but due to negative RR, I'm losing. Yeah, because you don't trade the same system. I don't have a negative RR. Or you saw Project Hail Mary last night? Yeah, see, I was seeing that. I was not a... I love like space and sci-fi, but just, yeah, I wasn't a big fan of it. Hopefully you liked it. I just couldn't... Yeah, gold's gonna drop. Yeah, you fucking bastard. I mean, like I said, the 1 hour looks so nice. The 4 hour looks nice, but the 30 minute and 15, look how the 15 is just barcode-ish. Yeah. What up, Shreya? Yeah, gold's gonna be a dog. You're a dog, mate. Like your uncle. Ariel. Yo, yo, yo. What up? Yeah, what are you gonna do here? Like, where would you fucking enter? This is just nothing. Nothing. Like, it made sense that it looked like it wanted to sell, but didn't give us an entry. Nearly did. Don't want to look at NQ. Yeah, ugly price action. Like, there was nearly a couple of setups, but yeah, nearly a setup. Nearly like if you look at the 1 hour, it looks so nice. I bet you. Oh, yeah, it looks so good. But the 15 looks so ugly. Why London dog every day, bro? Great question. So Hari, please tell me when you're going to see Raja on live. Oh, fuck Raja. Nah, jokes. Rah. Alright, we've got 2 minutes for this closure. This is also a 1 hour closure. Let's see, man. Let's see, man. Let's see, man. vagina. Let's semen. Yo, Ty, are you still in the chat? I got addicted to heartbreak. Yeah, righto. Alright, man, we've got a closure coming up here in a minute. You made it. Bro, Ty, you must... Last night you were on stream late as... That must have been like 4 a.m. for you or something. And how did you get up and trade Asia? Three, wow. That's schizo. You're so schizo. Alright, here's a closure, you guys. Here's a closure. What are you gonna fucking do? 1 hour closure. Damn. Yeah, wow. I did not see that coming. I did not see that coming. All right, so I'm going to give it, see what this candle can do. See if we can get a bit of structure, get something happening here. All right. Looks like it's bearish as hell volume. Do you find any benefits using Bollinger Bands? No. How can I register the webinar? I'll post a link in the chat. You just go to this link. Pretty bearish day, yeah. Like even if you guys look at the ratio between the size of the candle bodies of these green candles and then the red, look how much bigger the red bodies are. It seems to be more bearish volume. Could be like kind of changing direction a little bit as well. Although you do have a lot of range up here. Maybe price wants to come and then maybe dip it. Damn, she's dropping though. She is dropping. This is a major level here. I don't think it's going to break out in lane. This will either not break out in London or it'll just melt through and you won't get a chance to ride it. Nice wick over here as well. We'll see. It has a lot of bearish volume. It could just continue down. We might be able to get a sell. I don't know. We'll see. Someone said go up. Bro's stuck in a fucking buy position. Bro, I love you. Love you too, bro. Do you think August is a weaker month for trading? I mean, what does that even mean? Because at the end of the day, the candles just move up and down. So it's like, regardless of you know, what the moon's doing, it's like, can you capitalize on the candle moving down and press sell and it moving up, pressing buy? No volume? No, there's definitely volume. There's definitely volume. It's just setups. We just need the setup. There's definitely volume. Make sure you guys on YouTube as well, drop a thumbs up for the stream if you're enjoying the stream. We're live here for London. I'm going to hang out a little bit longer, see if we get a setup here. But I can't get a setup if you don't trade London. And anybody here, whether you're from the US, Australia, I'm running a 3-step system webinar this Sunday where we're going to go through a bunch of material to make you a better trader. I'll post a link here in the chat. You can register for free this Sunday. How to pass your challenges quicker, how to get the payouts, how to scale, Q&As, controlling your emotions. Yeah, we'll go through a lot of stuff. Yeah, price is falling down here. The market's moving towards liquidity zones where buyers took place. I think it's going about, yeah, who knows, bro, we'll see. Sherlock Holmes, I am Sherlock. I'm investigating these markets. Yeah. A lot of bearish here, you guys. Yeah, wow. What up, a tone? What volume indicator do you use? I don't, bro. I just look at the candles. Look at the candle bodies. Big body candles. Look, you can see, look what gold looks like with these bodies of the candles. Now look at NQ. Look at these bodies. Big wicks, small bodies. Two very different things, right? That alone is like your biggest indicator. Can you look at the Asia cells and tell me where you would have entered and why? Asia cells. I think some of my guys took cells here. There was a fair few opportunities in Asia by the looks of it. After the fact, you can't tell. It's hard to tell. It looks like it was like a nice potential buy here even. Missed your setup, FOMO? Well, here's the thing, when people say I missed my setup, I'm like, how are you missing trades? Like, don't you just allocate a time to trade and then you show up and just trade that time? Like, how are you missing them? Like, it's very rare to miss it unless like, the only way I would miss a trade is if I'm something really cool is happening, which is rare as fuck. Registered, nice. Let's get it, Sophie. Let's get it, Queen. Oh, here we go. Let's have a look at some of these trade reviews. Some sell here. W's. Yeah, you can miss a trade for a vicious goon sesh. That's probably the only reasonable. Yesterday when you closed stream and gold just melted? Really? Yesterday when I what was yesterday? Oh, it did too. Yeah, you're right. Yep, that's true. But there was no setup as well. Look at that conditions we were trading in yesterday. Another good day of like avoiding unnecessary bullshit. See this? Remember what we're talking about? The volume indicator is looking at this. Look at that. Wicky, very big wicks. Now just remember that, staying that into your brain. Very big wicks, small bodies. Now look at this. Very big bodies, small wicks. Alright. That's the conditions you want to be trading in. Yeah, gold's just going to fall off here. How many pips is this shit? No, not much. The range is not that big. Yeah, she's fallen. Wow. Wow, you guys. Fuck me. What a day. Like, there's so many pips today. Nearly 1,000. Nearly 1,000 down. Wait, missed what missed what? What are you talking about? Do you think today coming back to, who knows, bro? Who cares? This is a major level. This is a major key level for a potential setup, that's for sure. Because two things can happen here. It can come back up in the range and we buy it back up. Or it holds down here. Maybe get another second candle hold here and then we can sell it down. Yeah, maybe a rejection off. Doesn't, yeah, we'll see, we'll see. The month is about to close? Not really, bro. You still got like 5 days. Only 500 away from passing my first challenge since changing to this strat, back testing Deers. 70%. Yeah, that sounds about right. Good shit. Nice. Good man. Yep. Buying after sweep of Asian lows? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. You want to buy from the support? Yeah. I'll buy from the support if we get confirmation. For sure. Do you have a trade with ICT? No. ICT, I can't trade. Yeah, I don't believe that Jade Cap, dude. I don't believe that Jade Cap. I believe most of these guys, to be honest. This dog, like... Do you know how, like, time-consuming it is to make these videos? Start with $100 and then he has a screenshot of 877,000. Okay. I guess so. I mean, if I made $2 million from a single payout, you guys aren't seeing me make these videos. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Fucking green background. This guy's fucking... Yeah, I don't know, bro. I don't know, man. Any reason not believe in Jade Cap? Yeah, just because of that. Like, you know, it's in these prop firms' best interest to have stories about big payouts. So if you got the ability to make $2 million in payouts in like, you know, a month or whatever, you're not making YouTube videos for mentorship sales. You're not doing any of that shit. Like, just keep making millions of dollars elsewhere. Yeah, I just think it's very suspicious. Don't trust anyone in this industry. There's like another guy in the industry who's doing like 2 million in sales a month. Mentorship sales a month. I think something big's going to come out with him that I've heard, which is very bad. Just registered. Nice. Let's get it. Let's get it. Do you think the podcast you go on is crap as we verified? No, you just pay the podcast people to pretend that you're verified. The green background's all you need to see, bro. Legit. When will your next New York stream? Probably tomorrow. Yeah, probably tomorrow, Mungie. Bro, drop the dono. All right, here we go. Here's the closure, holding up in this range. Okay, so the game plan. The game plan. 4 seconds here. The game plan, man. I don't know. Potential impulse buy. Let's keep an eye on this. What about trades by side? The worst in history. All good. Name drop. No, you know who I'm talking about, Ty. We were talking about him the other day. Like Aaron trades, but whenever trading, he wins 400, but then pulls out a GT3. Yeah, but Aaron's been trading for years. What happened to Justin Wheelam? Did you see the video he made where he exposed himself and then he deleted it? Bro felt guilty one night and made a video saying that he is actually not profitable and then deleted it and said it was just a joke. Like, nah, bro, you just felt guilty one night and thought it'd be cool to come clean and then realized, shit. Yeah, Aaron's also a goated stock trader. Like, he does long hold positions. What video are you talking about, Ty? I'm in a loss of $100. Please help me recover. Get a job. Next New York stream will probably be tomorrow. Oh, you didn't see that, Ty? Yeah, he literally made a video, just him sitting in front of the camera talking. He's like, you know, you guys, I want to make this video come clean. I'm actually, he said he's only a break-even trader. He said, basically said, yeah, I after doing the numbers, I am actually only a break-even trader still. You know, he's like, but I've learned a lot about psychology. That's why I do so many psychology videos, but I have to be clear with you guys. I am break even after all this. Oh, Justin Wheeler or whatever his name is. I don't even follow him. Someone say his name. This kid. He was big in the ICT kid space. This fucking... My story. And then, then he made this video. People love to see the hero fall. It's like, nah, bro, you just knocked on yourself, felt guilty, and now it's like you're playing the narcissist game of like, people love to see the hero fall. He tried to say it was a joke after because must have got heaps of backlash. It's like, nah, bro, you just been scamming for like years, and now you're cooked. Now you've got a fucking, what's his trade path AI? Let's have a look at what he's promoting here. Record, trade, improve. Yeah. All good, G. If you have your psychology sorted out, how could you only be? Yeah. Nah, it's all cap, bro. It's going to be tough. Like, Ty in the chat here might be the only like 19, 20-year-old kid that is actually profitable. All these 19-year-old, 20-year-old ICT kids, they're not profitable, bro. Like, all your PB trades and shit, they're not. Like, you guys are dumb as fuck. And I don't say it to I mean, it's just got to be said. Like, it's so obvious. It's so fucking obvious. Especially when you know, like, I'm in the space of selling courses, and not courses, but mentorships as well. So I know a lot behind the scenes of what goes on. It's like, yeah, it's not good, you guys. It's dangerous. It's dangerous out in these streets. Zest Nation, what up, G? How do you find your daily bias? I don't really care about daily bias. I'm more like session bias. See what the session's doing. So right now we're moving down. How do they make that type of money? I just told you. Courses. Courses, dude. And they usually have like a bunch of people that run their groups as well. That's why I only let like a certain amount of people in per month with me, because I actually work with my guys one-on-one. I'm always 40 hours in time for trade advice. Yeah. Ty needs the YouTube live. Yeah, like I said, I'll be doing a podcast with Ty today, so you guys can hear a bit more of his story. But legit, he might be the only like guy that's young that's really actually doing it. I was with PJ Trades for 9 months. Can trade, but the members can't ask questions in the chat. Yeah, okay. Yo, Sermon, what up, brother? Good to see you, man. How about free community, free signal, so they can sign you in their broker? Yeah, that's exactly. There's people in Dubai that do that. They don't like, I don't sell a course, but you use their broker affiliate code. Oh my god, these guys are like millionaires from that. I'm gonna hang out here. I think we could get a trade here. I don't know if it's gonna be a buy or a sell. There's a burger. Sup, little Unc? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Yo, Dan, you gonna be live till New York Open? Bro, what do you think? I'm a fucking streamathon? That's so long. What are your thoughts on Aaron trades? Do you think you'll... Yeah, me and Aaron might do a collab on Thursday. Oh, you dipshit. You're getting yourself banned from the channel. See ya. Yeah. Oh, wow, Goldie. All the freaking sweep the lows, take the highs. People are happy right now. Man, I'm trying to fucking find a setup here, bro. Nah, I don't do meme coin things. Is it okay to aim for a percentage for a year or for... Oh, see this, you guys? What's going on? Look, look. Wow. Sweet, we got volume. Sick. Alright, I'm interested now. Beautiful. We've got 5 minutes for a closure. It's also going to be a 30 closure. If this breaks above here, I'll buy. Is there any news or anything? Let me have a look. Forex Factory. No. Forex Factory is really good. You'll get like the immediate news will pop up here if something just drops. This is probably going to run. Yeah, this makes sense for price to come up here. Fucking hell, bro. I feel like trading lately has just been like, the settings have been put on extreme. NQ, let's have a look. Oh, NQ, volume as well. We'll see if NQ breaks above here. I'd probably... NQ, you probably got a better shot at NQ by the looks of things, sort of. Sure there's not news, just dropped. Yeah, look, here we go. 1 minute ago. Pakistan visits to Iran, fruitful. Results could be clear. Okay. Fair enough. Alright, let's keep an eye on this. We could get a setup here. See if gold can hold above here. So advice to someone that lacks confidence to trade fundeds after blowing a few of them. Yeah, I mean, if you're relatively new to trading funded accounts, you're going to blow like the first few of them and stuff. It's just how it is. So 1, know your system really well. 2, know that there's a probability of you're going to blow it. And 3, know it's okay. Like, just get another one. Just start trading again. I know, Tim. That's wild. Wild wording. Bro, it blows my TP on NQ. Nice. Yeah, I love when that happens. Typically, the spread will push your TP even further as well. Drop a thumbs up for the stream, you guys on YouTube as well. Drop a thumb on the stream if you're enjoying the London. Alright, we've got 2.5 minutes. Let's see what this candle closes like. First time I blew my account when I had already made 2.9. Oh yeah, we've all done it. We've all done many things. We've all done very bad things on these charts. The DMA. DMX. Alright, Goldie, let's see what we can do. Got a minute and a half here. I really beat myself up if I blow an account. Thanks for that. Yeah, don't beat yourself up. Just know that everyone does it. The only way you should beat yourself off is if if you blow the account out of like stupid shit where you just go on tilt and you start doing all the dumb shit on the chart. Then you should like not beat yourself up, but you should be like, well, I know what I did wrong. I can't do that again. Which is probably the reason why you blew the account. So maybe you should beat yourself up. You got two options if you do tilt stuff on the charts. You can pretend like it never happened, or you can do the analysis and say, man, I gotta not do that. Let me find out how it triggered. What was the first thing that happened? Oh, I took a loss, blah, blah, blah. Like, do the analysis on yourself. Don't pretend that nothing happened and come back tomorrow and hope for a different result. And then we're back in the range. I know, bro, crazy. Cheeks price action. Yeah, bro, Cheeks price action. Thank you as well. Yeah, we're getting cheeked up here, man. Oh, better late than never. Why never trade coins? Because it's just like gambling. Learned your strategy and visually tested it in a few previous months and was always profitable. Now running it live, just falling into negative balance. Yeah, because there's no such thing as visually testing a strat. You have to like get in the front lines. Yeah, you got to get in the front lines, man. All right, well, this is Cheeks. This is a Cheeks closure on both NQ and gold. What are we gonna do, you guys? What are we gonna do, man? I might give it one last candle. If this candle, because we're in the middle of this range, if this candle can hit one of the ends, up, break above or below, then we'll look at something. I'm very good at trading, but I can't seem to stop tilting and revenge trading. That's my last hurdle. Once I stop, yeah. Yep. That's typically the crossroad that everyone comes to. That's why a lot of trading is about self-development. I had a one-on-one yesterday with one of my guys and I said, man, you gotta stop smoking ganja. You gotta stop like these behaviors that you're doing outside of the charts. It's just reflecting. I looked at his journal. I said, man, I can already see what your mindset was based on this journal. Like the screenshots of his trades, I mean. Thing is, what I'm realizing is Asia session is a lot more clear than, oh yeah, Asia's got like the best price action for gold. What's your male female ratio of viewers? Oh, it would have to be heavily tilted towards men. It would have to be heavily tilted towards dudes. Right? Can you imagine if it wasn't? It was like fucking... How do you even check? Analytics? Audience. Oh, here we go. Age and gender. Look, 91.9% of male. What about the live streams? 93% male on the live streams. So when we're on live streams talking about game and women and how to level up to be the best version of yourself, at least I can not stress and think that there's fucking heaps of chicks thinking I'm a sexist. Wow, that's really bad. Yeah, it looks pretty choppy now, I know. Thank you. Another London special, legit, man. Yeah, I'll give this candle a shot. Looks like maybe that spike there was the last bit of energy that London has. I spent 2K on prop firm and got 0 payouts. What can I do? I would say you should be trading cheaper prop accounts. I wonder what prop firm you're using. Isn't trading heavily tilted towards men? I mean, depends what you mean by that. Yeah, it's just up to... Oh look, there's some girls in the chat. Yes. There's females here. I mean, hours a day do you look at the chart? Not much. Not much, bro. Yeah. I don't think, I think this is it, you guys. I don't think anything else is happening. So what I would say is anybody here this Sunday, I'm running a free webinar, 3-step system. I'm going to be doing 2 time slots during the day, so making sure everyone can fit. And here's a link in the chat. You can register now for free this Sunday. We're going to be going through why most traders never leave the challenge phase or are struggling between blown accounts and, you know, actually making money. How to pass quicker, how to get actual payouts, how to scale, how to control your emotions, and then a live Q&A as well. So I've posted the links there in the chat. I think it's going to be worth walking away now, coming back like an hour into New York. You're probably going to get chop suey for a while now. Yeah. You're probably going to get chop suey for a while. So, yeah. Thank you anyway for you guys. Thanks for showing up, and trade safe. I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. Have a good day. Peace and prosperity. Goodbye.